Hello. Today I'm going to show you awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the TACKLIFE 1/4 drive click torque wrench. It is a set. 3/8 adapter. 3/8 inch adapter. 2.95 inches extension bar and 3/8 reducer. It is 20 to 200 inch lb, 2.26 until 22.6 Newton meter, and the type is HTW4A. It is a 1/4 inch driver with 20 until 200 lb inches. These are 22.6 Newton meters on the top. And this is for example, for your bike, mechanical servers, or you can use this torque wrench to screw some. I think brake disc is in the range of this device, or so many other screws is made for this torque wrench. Each torque wrench passed the calibration according to the DIN ISO 6789. It is an international standard with a ±4% of durability or accuracy. All steel construction make it lightweight and compact. Laser engraving dual range scale improves numeral clarity. It is high quality, I think. And you have on one side you have lb and inches, and on the other side you have Newton meters. And it is made for lb because these are from 20 to 200 lb inches. The Newton meter is a little bit different, so you have to count. If you like to have 3 Newton meters, you have to count each mark on the grip. But it's possible too, no problem with it. A click which can also be felt by the operator through the grip when the required torque is reached. You have reversible ratchet on board. That means clockwise and counterclockwise, suitable for restricted spaces. Measures torque in clockwise direction, not in counterclockwise, only in clockwise direction. But the most screws on earth are in clockwise direction. It's no problem with it. A good all-around wrench come with 2.95 inches extension bar and 3/8 inches adapter. And this I like so much because you have so many screws which need a torque in this range, but you only have in your box, in your garage box, a nut with 3/8 inches nut, but in this case in the box is an adapter for this, so you can use this nice and beautiful and small range torque wrench for using 3/8 inches nuts. Awesome. I like this really much. And you can use it for so many different screws, different options, etc. The TACKLIFE HTW4A 1/4 inch drive click torque wrench is calibrated 1/1 with ±4% accuracy. This is standard, is a top level of standard, ±4%. This is a normal thing. Before shipping, it is precisely suitable for cars, trucks, and lawn and garden equipment, bikes, everything what you like, chairs, all things. Adjustable torque is between 20 and 200 in.lb or 2.26 and 22.6 Nm. When the present torque value is reached, a click will alert you to stop applying force. You can confidently tighten fasteners to equipment manufacturers' torque specifications, preventing stress, broken nuts, broken screws, broken everything, poorly secure parts. And this is right. In my past, I had broken so many screws. you will not know. 180 or 50. So many screws because of my big bodybuilding arms are so strong and my titan is so hard and it was broken all the time. But until I'm using torque wrench for this, it is much better. Really much better. You have a complete torque wrench set here. One station purchased with extra 1/4 inches drive to 3/8 inches drive. Your adapter, 1/4 inches drive impact socket extension bar in a case can fit all your types and size of socket included 1/4 and 3/8. And this is enough. You do not need in this torque wrench 1/2 inches. This is not important. That is enough for small and not so hard tightened screws. Use of confidence. Correction accuracy of ±4%. The TACKLIFE 1/2 inch driver click torque wrench. It's not 1/2 inches, it's 1/4 wrench. Allows you confidently tighten fasteners to a vehicle and your accurate tightening of most every screws. It is a simple operation system. It is easy to set and lock your torque range with the bottom adjustable ring to avoid tightening. You can hear and feel a clear click sounds up on reaching the set torque. You have a dual range scale. With dual range, feet, lb, Newton meters, scale is setting. It reaches a high contrast, easy to read even in low light conditions. All steel construction is on board, made of all steel constructions that maintaining firm grip, preventing slipping, made it lightweight and compact at the same time. I think this is a good thing. It is a cheap torque wrench and you can tighten so many screws and bolts with it. You have the device is 274 millimeters to an adapter, an extension bar, a 1/4 torque wrench on board. These are 10 until 7-8 inches long, and it is not so long, but you will not need so long device to tighten this level screws of it or nuts. Durable all steel construction, body with flat tube design, make it sturdy enough. Sandblasting surface can avoid glare and a bright working environment. It is a chrome vanadium steel head. High quality chrome vanadium steel head with a head treat for high hardness. Black chrome coating in sleeve for anti-rust and anti-skid. Everything is on board and it's a nice price. I like it. Locking button is on the bottom side. Lock after adjusting for the stability of working torque. You have a reversible head. It's easy to switch right and left. Easy, really. A high contrast dual range scale and easy to read even under low and strong light. Newton meters and inches lb. It's all what you need for bike and small screws. That it is. and it's nice to use, easy to use. I like it so much, and I will continue using this part in my garage. So because this range of Newton meter I do not own before. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.